When I say Mega Raptor, what's the first thing that comes to mind? This is the new Dynabrade Mega Raptor Vac mobile vacuum system, and it's not just the name that makes it a cool tool. When I started as a technician, one of the things I liked the least about sanding was the mess that it made. I'd have dust all over my uniform and all around my work stall. Not only was it dirty, it was unsafe and would occasionally lead to repair quality issues. But then vacuum sanders came along, and I thought my sanding life's going to get a lot easier, a lot cleaner, and a lot more efficient. And it did for the most part. But there are also a number of things I don't care about with some vacuum systems. They are often way too loud and lack the performance I want. But the release of the Dynabrade Mega Raptor Vac system checked all the boxes for me. Not only does the Mega Raptor Vac give me a performance upgrade from the previous Mini Raptor, at 78 decibels, it's significantly quieter than other vacuum systems. 78 decibels. That's roughly the same decibel level as a dishwasher, a washing machine, or a hairdryer. And I know a thing or two about how loud a hairdryer can be.
Cut.
The Mega Raptor Vac system is designed for dry sanding operations. It has a two-stage filtration system that captures materials down to 0.3 microns. That means a cleaner work environment and cleaner paint jobs. I really love that it has a 20-foot long hose, so I can cover a large sanding area or work between two lanes, making it ideal for both repair and paint prep work. The Mega Raptor is also equipped with an auto filter cleaning system that blasts compressed air through the filter every 40 seconds. This keeps things from clogging up and ensuring proper airflow. That means it maintains its power and doesn't lose performance as the repair proceeds. In the event there is restricted airflow, the reduced airflow indicator alerts me that filter, hose, or bag maintenance is required. With this large 20-gallon bag capacity, I have fewer bag changes, allowing me to sand longer, pushing more work through my stall, and putting more money in my pocket. This line of vacuum sanders with their 120 CFM airflow is also powerful enough to simultaneously support two operators. This comes in handy in fast lane production environments for paint prep. And with its built-in overload protection, the machine will shut down if necessary, prolonging the life of the motor. The Mega Raptor Vacs are available as a standard pack designed for a single operator with the choice of Dynabrade Spirit or Dynabrade Extreme tools and a compact, easy-to-maneuver cart. And the Mega Raptor Vac Pro Packs at a premium cart that features locking casters and a swing-out shelf for storage, as well as easy filter and bag access. The additional storage offers me increased efficiency as I'm easily able to access additional sandpaper or other tools. There are also a host of accessories I can add to the system, including block sanders, hose hangers, and a cleaning kit that allows me to keep my equipment in excellent working condition. If you're looking for a clean, quiet, efficient vacuum sanding system, check out these cool tools at Dynabrade.com.